Nigeria Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun has reacted to the grievances of Nigerians over the terrible, malnourished and apparently dying-looking manner of minors among protesters who were arraigned for treason for protesting against hunger and bad governance in the country by flying Russian flags among other activities to express their displeasure against the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, saying, "The 6 minors who fainted in court on Friday faked the incident," adding, "The police force take care of suspects' welfare in their custody." Olumuyiwa Adejobi, the force public relations officer, in a news release on Saturday, said, "The fainting of the minors in court on Friday were scripted but kept mum on the terrible situation where bones of some of the arraigned protesters were visible to the eyes as if the minors were living skeletons after spending more than 3 months in police custody." According to the police, the Nigeria Police Force (NPF) has recently arraigned 76 individuals in court on charges including terrorism, arson, and treasonable felony. These serious allegations encompass offenses such as the destruction of public property and threats to national security. In managing the detention and arraignment of these suspects, the NPF has rigorously adhered to legal provisions to ensure fairness and accountability under the rule of law. The suspects were initially presented in court, where they were formally charged, and a remand order was issued by the court. Throughout this process, the police have worked to balance justice with compassion, ensuring that each suspect's basic rights and privileges are respected, including access to medical care and other necessary provisions. Today, an unexpected incident in court saw 6 of the suspects suddenly rush out and faint, drawing media attention in a deliberate and scripted manner to draw negative attention. Medical aid was promptly provided to these individuals, demonstrating the police force's commitment to the welfare of those in its custody, irrespective of the allegations they face. While committed to upholding justice, the Nigeria Police Force remains sensitive to the rights of all individuals, including young persons. Under Nigerian law, individuals who have reached the age of criminal responsibility are answerable for their actions, regardless of their age. This principle aligns with global practices, where accountability is upheld for young individuals who commit serious offenses. As seen in other jurisdictions, including the United Kingdom, age does not exempt individuals from facing legal consequences. However, each case is approached with empathy and in accordance with human rights standards. The NPF acknowledges public interest in this case and assures the public that our officers will maintain professionalism throughout the legal process. The public is encouraged to view this case without undue bias, as the force remains focused on a transparent pursuit of justice. The Nigeria Police Force is committed to aligning with best practices, upholding both the rule of law and respect for human dignity, Olumuyiwa Adejobi stated in the press release.
Bringing you the news in a more digital way.